Steps 21 and 22, we are preparing the zipper for installation. First thing we need to do is figure out exactly how long the zipper needs to be. So we'll take our measuring tape and measure from the bottom of the bra up to where it angles in. I've marked mine with a pin because it is rounded and I want to make sure I know exactly where I measured to. So I found the spot that I thought was the angle, the corner, and I measured mine to be 6 1/4 inches. So once I've figured that out, I can set my bra to the side and pull out my zipper. And then I'll remove these pins. I measured the zipper to 6 1/4 inches from the very bottom up exactly up to the teeth that are 6 1/4 inches. And I marked them. And then I fold them back and pin. And fold that one back right at my mark and pin. Okay, I'm going to take this over to the machine and give a quick little stitch, zigzag stitch right here to hold those both in place. Now that we have stitched the zipper open, we can trim off the excess. And we'll just trim between the teeth so that we follow the vertical line of the zipper. And there you go, it's easy as that. Now we have a trimmed, easy peasy zipper. And this is water soluble ink, by the way, that will disappear when it gets wet. Now we are going to stitch the zipper to the zipper guard. So I'll place my zipper on top of the zipper guard and fold it over like so. And use some pins to hold it in place. I'll take this over to my machine and stitch all along this edge. Step number 24, we will attach the zipper to the front of the bra. There's a really great tool that I like to use for this step. It's called Wash Away Wonder Tape. It is, I believe, Drit's brand. You can find it at most sewing and quilting shops. And it is fantastic because it sticks on both sides and then it washes away. All you do is you unroll it from this tape roll and stick it down. And then after you've done that, you can peel away the backing. And now it's sticky on the top side as well. Being very careful to line up the bottom edges perfectly. We're going to then press the bra front down onto the zipper. Now we want to get close to the teeth, but you want to leave room for your zipper to open and close, so not touching the teeth. Okay, there we go. So now that that is stuck on, I can take it over to my machine. And in this step, I will actually sew the zipper to the front of the bra in the same spot where I used the Wash Away Wonder Tape. I've attached my zipper foot and switched from a stretch 75 needle to a stretch 90 needle. Because I am going through so many layers, I want to make sure my needle is strong enough to handle them. Now, stitching very close to the edge of this fold over elastic. And I moved my needle over as far as it would go. And between that and my zip, using my zipper foot, should be able to get past this zipper pretty easily. zipper. Finish off the stitch. There we go. All right. Now we are attached on one side. The final step is to attach the other side of the zipper. In order to do so, we'll need to unzip the zipper all the way and remove it from within the zipper guard. One thing I want to point out to you, when attaching the zipper to the other side of the bra, you need to keep in mind that this side had the zipper guard under the zipper tape and the zipper guard lined up flush with the bottom of the bra. So the zipper tape is actually slightly higher than that zipper guard in here. So when you attach to this side of the bra, it's going to be ever so slightly above the bottom of the bra. And I'll show you what I mean. We're going to use the Wash Away Wonder tape again. This stuff is so cool. I think my primary use for it is for zipper installation, but I know there are other great uses, and I feel like there's something that was just recommended for me to use this on. I can't think of it though. Okay, then we'll peel the backing away and leave the double-sided tape. And I'll align it slightly higher or slightly above the bottom of the bra. And just press down to adhere. There we go. Slightly crooked here. I'm going to move that bit over just a tad. Let's see, move my zipper foot to the other side and get this stitched on. Grab my threads. Make sure to use those to help me. Get the stitch started. I don't know if you need to hear this, but sit up and pull your shoulders back and down. I have a terrible habit of hunching over and scrunching up my shoulders while I sew, and then I end up with stiff neck and shoulders later, so there you go, your reminder of the evening. Okay. So close. We, my friends, are finished sewing the Endurance sports bra. So exciting. Get that baby zipped up. Close the zipper guards. There we go. Look at that. Isn't she beautiful? I can't wait to show you what it looks like on the body.